Hi guys, this is Pawan Kumar. Today I want to say about mathematics 2, which is belongs to the diploma second year of all branches. Today I want to say about 17th essay, which is very important. I think without this question there is no question paper. It is very easy. So please listen carefully what I am saying in this video. You can understand easily by seeing this video. So please see this video at the last. Please subscribe my channel without subscribe my channel. If you have, please subscribe my channel now. See, this is the question today I want to explain. Solve dy by dx plus xy is equals to xy cube. This is the question which I have to say today. So first of all, you have to write given for each and every question. Why? Because he allotted 2 or 3 marks for a given. So I have to write given. So I am writing given dy by dx plus xy is equals to xy cube. This is the what he got given. I have written. It is in the form of is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q into y power n. This is very important to this sum. If you have any question in this way, we have to write this form. It is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q into y power n. ఇది ఫార్ములా ఉందని ఇక్కడ రాసాము. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ది ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఈ ఫార్ములా ఉంది ఇది dy by dx py means xy. The quotient of y belongs to p. The quotient of y power n belongs to q. So here x is q, x is p. It is in the form of y power n means y cube. Y power n means y cube here. N means 3. Y means y. Q means x. P means x. So we have to know the values of p and q. So how to divide this equation by y cube on both sides. మనకి ఇక్కడ p వాల్యూ q వాల్యూ ఒక కాన్స్టెంట్ టర్మ్స్ అనేవి రావాలి కాబట్టి ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ y క్యూబ్తో RHS సైడ్ LHS సైడ్ మనం y క్యూబ్తో అనేది డివిజన్ చేయాలి. సో హ్యావ్ రైటింగ్ హియర్ డివైడ్ y cube with y cube on both sides. Both sides you have to divide with y cube. Both sides 1 by y cube into dy by dx. It means dy by dx by y cube. dy by dx by y cube ని మనం ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చండి. హ్యావ్ రైట్ ఇన్ ది ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ 1 by y cube into dy by dx. So I have written this form here 1 by y cube into dy by dx is equals to plus xy is equals to xy cube by y cube. I have divided RHS and LHS with y cube. Here dividing. So I have to cancel here y cube and y cube. Here cube and here y. So we get that y square. Here we have to divide y cube. Here cube and here y. So we have here y square. Y cube means in there are 3 y's in y cube. Here ఒక 1 yకి ఇక్కడ 1 y క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే ఇంకా y స్క్వేర్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ కూడా 1 y స్క్వేర్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. yకి y క్యూబ్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే సో హ్యావ్ దట్ ఈక్వేషన్ 1 by y square d by dx plus x by y square is equals to x. We have this equation. So how to consider this as equation 1. దీని ఈక్వేషన్ 1 అని పేరు పెట్టుకోవాలి. సో పుట్ v is equals to 1 by y square. 1 by y square ప్లేస్లో v అనేది సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. Before substituting v is equal to 1 by y square, you have to differentiate with respect to x. దీన్ని with respect to x తో డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయాలి, అది రూల్. సో హ్యావ్ టు డిఫరెన్షియేట్ v with respect to x. d by dx of v is equals to d by dx of 1 by y square. 1 by y square. dv by dx is equals to, we know that 1 by y square is equals to y power minus 2. ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చండి. 1 by y squareని పవర్ అనేది పైకి వచ్చి -2 అనేది అవుతుంది. This is in the form of a by a power m. We know that the formula for 1 by a power m is equals to a power minus m. So I have converted in this way. So I can write in the place of 1 by y square y power -2 d by dx of y power -2. We know that the derivative of y power 2, but we don't know that the derivative of y power -2. So for 2 we have that formula a power n is equals to n a power n plus 1. This is the formula. So how to write this as minus 2 y power minus 2 minus 1. This is the formula. So we have to again differentiate dy by dx. Why? Because this is not in the form of a power n. The a power n formula లేదండి, a power minus some formula ఉంది. So you don't have that formula for a power minus m. So I have written in this form n minus 1 అండి, sorry. So I have put it here n minus 1, n means minus 2. So minus 2 minus 1, 2 అనేది ముందుకు వస్తుంది. The formula 2 n into a power n minus 1. This is the differentiate of a power n formula. So I have converted in this formula. Now comes to the next step, dv by dx. I have written dv by dx. I am not changing. Minus 2. This is in the form of minus m into a power m into a power m plus n. So I have to add these two. Minus into minus plus y power minus 3. This is we get dy by dx again. Between this there is an into. So I have marked into as dot. Now comes to the next step. Minus 2 taken as common. y cube మనం ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చండి. y power minus 2 అంటే 1 by y square ఎలా రాసుకున్నాం, y power minus 3ని 1 by y cube అని రాసుకోవచ్చు. సో హ్యావ్ రిటర్న్ 1 by y cube into dy by dx. We have written this as a dv by dx is equals to minus 2 into 1 by y cube into dy by dx. Name it as equation 2. Here put v is equals to 1 by y square. ఇక్కడ 1 by y square ప్లేస్లో v అనేది సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకు వచ్చింది dv by dx. ఇక్కడ 1 by y square ప్లేస్లో v అనేది వేసాను. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ dv by dx అని రాసాను ఇక్కడ. ప్లస్ దిస్ we have write x by y square is equals to x into 1 by y square అని రాసుకోవచ్చండి. by 1 x into 1 x, y square into 1 y square. So have written 1 by y square into x. We know that 1 by y square is equals to v. So we get that vx. We get that xvr vx is equals to x. We get this equation dv by dx plus xv is equals to x. Now comes to the next step. Get that here there is a minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Why? Because this is the into here division. Comes to the LHS. Now we have to eliminate this 1 by 2. So how to multiply on both sides with minus 2. So minus 2 into 1 by minus 2 into dv by dx plus minus 2 into xv is equals to minus 2 into x. ఇక్కడ minus 2 అనేది ఎలిమినేట్ చేయడం కోసం minus 2తో బోత్ సైడ్స్ ఇంటూ చేసాం. minus 2 క్యాన్సిల్. we have that dv by dx minus plus into minus 2xv is equals to minus 2x, which is a linear equation. ఇది లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ అండి. వై? బికాజ్ పవర్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మనకు 1 ఉన్నాయి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్. 2 అంటే క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్, 3 అంటే cubic equation. So we have here 1 as the degree of this equation. So this is a linear equation. Which is a linear equation? ఇది linear equation అండి. Why? Because the degree of the equation is 1. So I have written this is equation as linear equation. If you have the degree of 2, you have to return this as a quadratic equation. This is in the form of ఈ ఫార్ములాకి వచ్చిందండి. మన కాన్స్టెంట్స్ అనేవి వచ్చాయి. QP అనే వాల్యూస్ మనకి ఇక్కడ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ అని వచ్చాయి. ఈ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ అని తీసుకురావడం కోసం y క్యూబ్తో డివిజన్ చేసి డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేసి మనం ఇలా తీసుకొచ్చాం. సో యూ గెట్ ద dv by dx minus 2xv is equals to minus 2x. Now we know that p is equals to pv here. This is in the form of py. Py means y means here v. P means minus 2x. Q is equals to Q is also minus 2x. This minus 2x belongs to Q. Minus 2x. P is equal to minus 2x. Q is equals to minus 2x. So we got this. We know that IF means integrand factor. IF is equal to formula e power integral p dx. This is the formula for integrand factor. IF means integrand factor. E means E. We know that P means minus 2x dx. Minus 2x dx. Now we have to differentiate minus 2x dx. Minus 2 అనేది కామన్గా తెచ్చుకుంటాం. E పవర్ minus 2 ఇంటిగ్రేట్ x dx. ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేయాలన్నమాట, డిఫరెన్షియేట్ కాదు. హ్యావ్ టు ఇంటిగ్రేట్ 2x dx. 2 as I taken 2 as constant as common, and again we have x dx. We know that the formula integral x dx formula x square by 2, x power 1 plus 1 by 2. Integrand x dx formula is equals to e power minus 2 x square by 2. This is the formula for integral x power 1. This is the formula for integral x power 1. So how to cancel this 2 and this 2? We get that e power minus x square. This is integrand factor if. Get the value of if. We know the general solution. The general solution is y is equals to if into if. Y into if, not is equals to here into here, is equals to y into if is equals to integral q into if dx plus c. This is the formula. We have to learn here two formulas, this formula and the first formula. By these two formulas we can easily do this type of sum. So please concentrate on these three formulas. This is also formula integrand factor one formula, general solution one formula. This is in the form of pq y power and that one formula. So how to concentrate on these three formulas, you can do each and every sum belongs to this type of question. So this is the general equation. We know that y means 1 by y square. Y means ikkada 1 by y square, and y means here 1 by y square. We know that integrand factor, that means e power minus x square is equals to integral means integral, q means minus 2x into if means e power minus x square dx plus c. So again we have to 1 by put x, మనం ఇక్కడ x స్క్వేర్ని t అని అనుకోవాలి. పుట్ మైనస్ x స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు t. మనం ఇక్కడ x స్క్వేర్ని t కింద సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో హౌ టు డిఫరెన్షియేట్, ఇలా t ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు x స్క్వేర్ అని తీసుకుని దీన్ని డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయాలి. డిఫరెన్షియేట్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు x ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్. బోత్ సైడ్స్ కూడా మనం ఎక్స్తో డిఫరెన్షియేట్ అనేది చేయాలి. బోత్ సైడ్స్ రెండు పక్కల డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయాలి. డి బై డిఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు డిటి బై డిఎక్స్. బోత్ సైడ్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేట్ అనేది చేస్తున్నాం. వి నో దట్ ది ఫార్ములా ఫర్ డి బై డిఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్, దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా minus 2x. This is the formula for derivative of x square 2x. This is the formula is equals to dt by dx. Therefore dt is equals to minus 2x. Here this is the dividing, when comes to the LHS it multiplies 2x. So I have written minus 2x dx. Dt is equals to, now we have to substitute in the place of minus 2x dx, we have to substitute dt. 1 by y square means y square into e power minus x square means we know that minus x square is equals to t. So e power t is equals to integral minus 2x dx. That means minus 2x into dx. We know that dt e power minus x square means we know that e power t dt plus c. This is the formula. I am substituting minus 2x dx as dt and minus x square as t. We get this equation. Don't confuse. Here we are substituting that minus x square as t and 2x dx as dt, minus 2x as dt. So I have substituted that dt in minus 2x dx as dt. We know that the formula integral e power t is equals to e power 1 by y square into e power t is equals to, you know that the formula integral e power t dt minus e power t t. This is the formula to the e power t dt plus here c there means c. This is the answer which I have got. This is the solution, general solution. The general solution. This is the general solution for the given question. This is the answer. Somebody write 1 by y square into e power t means here minus x square. So substituting minus x square is equals to e power t means minus x square plus c. This is the answer. Idana raichandi. I have changed that x square as t. So I have written in this way. This and this is also correct. This is the answer for the given question. It is very very important essay 17th A1. Sometimes he will ask 17th question as direct 10 marks. So please concentrate on this. We have to learn only 3 formulas by this: the general equation, the general solution, integrand factor, that means if, and in the form of dy py q power q into y power n. ఈ ఫామ్లో ఏ సమ్ కనిపించినా in this way how to do. First of all how to divide y cube on both sides. ఇక్కడ y cube ఉంది కాబట్టి y cube తో డివిజన్ చేసామండి. y square ఉంటే y square తో డివిజన్ చేయాలి. y power 4 ఉంటే y power 4 తో డివిజన్ అనేది చేయాలి. సో I have y cube, so we have dividing the sum as y cube. It's very very important. So please concentrate on this. Nothing is there. It is very very easy. I think you don't have any doubt from this question after watching my video. If you have any doubt, please comment below this video and ask so more questions what you want to do. So please subscribe my channel guys and get more videos for you. If you follow my channel, you definitely pass the M2 as well as other subjects also. So please watch my videos and subscribe and share my channel guys. Thank you for my watching video.